Kwa magavana wetu tuendelee kufanya kazi, na hapa Kericho County Commissioner na timu yako, na shukuru nyinyi. Vita dhidi ya pombe inaendelea vizuri 70%, lakini 30% bado. Nataka mutie bidii machiefs wetu. Mnajua tulikubaliana na hatuna vita, sisi ni marafiki, ya kwamba katika location yako wewe kama chief na pombe hamwezi ishi nyinyi wote pale, lazima mmoja aondoke. Na kwa sababu pombe hana akili ya kuamua kama itaondoka ama itakaa, jukumu la uamuzi ni juu ya chief. Na unajua tunataka kutoa machifu kadhaa kabla Christmas waende nyumbani, ndio wakuwe funzo kwa wengine wale wazembe. Na nyinyi watu ya Kericho mnajua ni marafiki zangu, na rais mlitupigia kura vizuri. Itakuwa ni uchungu mingi sana kwangu nikiona machifu wakienda nyumbani. Kwa hivyo namuomba kwa heshima machifu wetu mjikaze, mtoe miguu kwa gunia, mungangane na hii watu na madawa ya kulevya, ndio nyinyi muweze kuendelea na kazi, ndio mshughulikie watoto wenu. It will be very painful for me to sanction a few chiefs in Kericho to go home, because you are our people and we love you and you supported us and prayed for us. Please spare me that agony to make that decision by doing the right thing. Wale wote wanauza hizi bombe machifu mnawajua, wale wanauza bangi mnawajua, you know them. Just make a decision and save you a job because you need it. Hii kazi kupata ni kibarua ngumu. Ile kazi kidogo huko nayo uchunge. Na mimi kwa sababu nimepewa kazi na rais nipambane na hiyo pombe, mimi sitaki kumwaga unga yangu. So nikiona wewe unataka kunimwagia yangu, nitamwaga yako kwanza. Si ndio tunasema? Sema kuva dereva, kuva nini? Makanga. Sasa nyinyi machifu na DCC msiniangushe. Mimi kazi nilipewa na rais, niko na haja naye. Nataka niichunge sana. Mnajua pahali nilikuwa pahali mbaya sana. Sasa mimi sitaki kurudi hapo. Kwa hivyo mimi nikiona mtaharibu yangu, mimi kwanza nitamwaga yenu, ndio yangu imwagike baadaye. Kwa hivyo nyinyi ni watu wazuri na tumeshukuru sana. And those who are continuing with this program, tunatakia nyinyi mema, na tuko na matumaini kwa mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu tutakuwa na nyinyi siku ya Ijumaa pamoja na rais wetu ambaye ako huko China akingangana na watu ya huko weupe kuona atatuletea nini. Na tumemwambia rais ahakikishe Assembly, Dr. Tukosane, Ministry of Health and county officials, all other partners, our gallant health workers, the great people of Kericho County, distinguished guests, good afternoon. God is good, and all the time. Mnisalimie kwa haya. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Pokeeni salamu nyingi sana kutoka kwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Our president is away in the Republic of China on official duty, and he sends his warm greetings and love for the people of Kericho and the neighboring counties. Before I say one or two things, let me introduce the members of the National Assembly who came with me. We have Dr. Tukosane, is the chairman of the Health Committee in Parliament and a member of Parliament for Endebess in Trans Nzoia County. We have Patrick Munene, the vice chairman of the Health Committee in the National Assembly and member of Parliament for Chuka Igabangombe in Tharaka Nithi County. We have that tall man, Duncan Maina Madenge, a member of the committee and member of Parliament for Nyeri Town constituency. We have the Honorable Ken Aramat, the member of Parliament for Narok East and the chairperson of the Energy Committee in the National Assembly. We have Honorable Tonkei, the women representative for Narok County, and we have Honorable Charuret, where is he, the member of Parliament for Kipkelion East of this county. Ladies and gentlemen, we meet here today under the theme Universal Health Coverage, Afya Nyumbani, a few days after our president flagged off over 100,000 community health promoters to work in our 47 counties. It is also a great occasion to witness the potential of the Kericho County Smart Primary Health Care Network to transform healthcare service delivery through digitization of data. I congratulate Governor Mutari and his entire team in establishing this digital system. It will redefine how we work for our people. Indeed, integrating digital technology is one of the best strategies of ensuring efficiency and effectiveness in service delivery. Distinguished guests, on this note, I wish to commend the community health promoters who have been engaged for this assignment. You are our heroes. This is Mashujaa Day. We can't pay you enough for the splendid work you are already undertaking. Once again, we count on your utmost dedication to deliver to Kenyans the promise of universal health coverage. Distinguished guests, October is significant to Kenya and the world. During this month, we work to raise awareness on cancer, and in particular, breast cancer. Cancer is one of the leading non-communicable diseases which collectively kill about 27% of our people annually. In some cases, non-communicable diseases and conditions account up to 50% of hospital admissions. This overstretches our healthcare system, therefore negatively impacting on quality service. Quality healthcare is very expensive for most families. Serious health conditions are sinking families into abject poverty, as many Kenyans cannot access healthcare insurance. In fact, only about 26% of the more than 53 million people have some form of health insurance cover. When a serious medical condition strikes, poverty is inevitable for most families. Poverty strips off one's dignity. This, in turn, slows our development. Your Excellency, governors, distinguished guests, this is one of the reasons that the Ruto administration is investing in promoting preventive health care to the grassroots in collaboration with our counties. This is alongside the ongoing reforms in the National Health Insurance Fund to enhance access to quality health care as enshrined in our Constitution. We are closely working with counties in establishing sustainable structures of promoting preventive health as envisioned under the universal health coverage. In this regard, we have allocated 141.2 billion Kenya shillings to the Ministry of Health, with at least 18.4 billion shillings going into the universal health coverage. We are determined to meeting and surpassing the minimum target of 15% of the national budget to the health sector, as per the Abuja Declaration of 2001. Distinguished guests, the Primary Health Care Network tool, which Kericho County is integrating into its healthcare system, will progressively contribute to data collection on various diseases and other medical conditions. This is crucial